So program number 20, there are two patterns are there, and in these two patterns, so we have to do it using the user choice, that is the switch case. And if the and according to the case, if the cases are not there, then we'll give the option as it is a error. So you can see it is a, since switch case we have write in a main method scanner object is made, and you see here the and 1 it is set for pattern 1 and 2 for the pattern 2, and you have entered the choice, so 1 or 2 you have to enter. So if the person has entered as a choice as 1, so it will come to the case 1. If the will give 2, then it will come to the case 2. Otherwise, if I am not entering 1 and 2, other than that, if you will enter, it will come to the default part. So in the default part, it is there that the entered are the wrong choice. It is wrong choice. So, and then it will come out of the, by giving that message, it will come out of the particular program. So let assume that we have type 1, so it will come to this part. So in this pattern it will be, so here what is given, so we have taken 69, a is equal to 69. Why a b c d is there? So here 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. So up till 69 it will type. So a's value is taken as 69. So a is 69, 69 is greater than 65. So it has entered here, condition is true. So this is the outer for loop and this is the inner for loop. So here then it will enter inside it. Now b is 65. So 65 is, and a is 69. 69. So it is, condition is true, it will come here character at b. So in the character at b, like here b, so b is, so here we are taking, take it as a pattern, we have taken character at b. So b's value is 65. So 65 means it is a. So it will type what? A. 65. 65 is a. Then it will type a. It will come here. Now b will be 66. So condition is true. So it will come here. So b is 66. 66 ASCII value is for the capital B. So it will type B. So again it will come here. Again now it is 67. B's value is 67. So it will come 67 is capital C. It will type C. So again 68 it is capital D. So it will type D. So 60 5 67, then 69. So 69 it is, 69 is equal to 69. So 69 is E. So it is capital E. So and then 70 condition will be false. So it will come out of this particular loop and it will come here. Now it is minus minus, so it will become 68. So condition is true, it is greater than 65. It will come here. Again B's value will start from 65, it will go up till 68. So same way 65 to 68. So it will be A, B, C, D up till this. Then again this will become false and it will come here. Now A will be 67. So it will continue up till 67 and start from 65. So 65 to 67. Again here the loop will continue. So it is A, B, C will be there. Then again it will come out of this loop and come get inside this loop. It will become 66. So here it will continue up till 66, from 65 to 66. So it is 65 and 66 will be executed. So AB, then it will come here and now condition is 65. 65 is equal to 65, condition true again. So A is 65 and B is here also A and B both are 65, condition true, it will enter here and it will print A. Then again it will go, now it is 66, condition false, so it will come out of this loop. And if the particular person has typed 2 instead of 1, 2, then it will come to the case 2, and similar way it will go on, you see, double double. So the length is there, so length, here enter the string. Here what you have taken, the string blue J, so the string is entered as blue J, and it is continuing from I is equal to 0, I is, so I have typed here we have taken blue J, so take it here, we are writing blue J, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. So here I is 0, so 0 is less than, so I value, let's write here I is equal to 0, so 0 is less than P, P is how much, 5, it is, P's value is, P is equal to 5, so P's value is 5, so condition true, so it will enter inside this loop. So this is the for loop and this is the outer for loop, so it will enter here. Now J value is 0, so 0 is equal to 0, so condition true, so it will come character at I is 0, so here B, it will type B, so it will come to there. Now J will be 1, condition false, because here 1, if we will type 1 and here I is 0, so condition false, it will come out, it will go to this part. Now I is changed to 1, so again it will come, so again J is going to start from 0, so 0, so condition is true, here 0, here 1, I is 1, condition true, so it will come here character at I is what, L, so it will type L, so again it will come here, so J is 1, so 1 is equal to 1, condition true, so again it will enter, so again it will print I is 1, so in the 1 place L, so it is going to print L. So again the it is I is changing to 2, so condition true, less than 5, condition true, again it will enter, so J again it will start from 0, so here I, so I is 2, so it will type in the 2 position, so in that way 3 times it will type, because I value is 3, so here 3 times it will move on, and 3 times the 2 will be 3 times the 2 will be typed, so and then again the I will change to 3, so again it will come here, so J again it will start from 0, so 0 is less than 3, so I in the 3 position E, so in that way E, now I will be, J is 1, so J is less than, I 1 is less than 3, so again here it will be E will come, so now it will be 2, so 2 is less than 3, condition true, again it will type E, so again J now it is 3 is equal to 3, condition true, again it will continue up till E, so now again, so now it will become 4, condition false, it will come to this part, now I is 4, so 4 is less than 5, condition true, so again it will come, so in this way again it will go on typing, E is there, then J will be, it will go on typing J, so it will go in this way, it will move on. So in that way you have to continue and do the dry run and complete it, and you will get the same output as the before. And program number 21, it is same as the program number 14. In this way the same thing, the particular string is taken and we are taking a choice. Here the choice is string type, one F and L. If we are giving the choice as F, see here we have taken string type and we are say converted into uppercase, it is said. If they are not converting, so you can include here str equal to str dot up to uppercase method you include, and there it is saying you have to enter F or L. So this is the character type. So you can see the case here, this is also taken. So as a character, single character we are entering. So here scanner, so it is saying in dot next method and character at 0. So then F inside single quote and L is also inside single quote. So here the same thing, we are finding out the space, we'll take the space. If the space, then after it the letter we are taking, and if it is L, we are checking the space from the back side. So if here is space, we will take the before it -1. So you see here -1 is taken, -1, what if the space, then -1 is taken, and here what it is taking, if it is a space you are taking +1. If here it is space, then after it whatever the letter we are taking, and in this side if there is a space at the end, then before it the letter what it is taken. So it is same as the program number 14, and you have to, from program number 22 onwards, it is a array type program. So you will do those program after completing the chapter array. So you have to complete the exercises of all the chapters which we have completed. So total exercise should be complete, and I have already given in the website, like you can type the solution of the computer of understanding computer in the Google, and you can get the option as APC, and from there you will get the solution of all the chapters. You can take the help of those chapters and complete the chapters which is already I have explained you and completed. So, and if the text notebook should have all the exercises, the person will have all the exercises will get the plus marking. So complete the chapter, and all the chapters exercise should be there in your notebook. Thank you, class.